A fire hydrant flooded a warehouse in North Bend this morning. Isabella Warren reports on the damage.
Employees at Energy Conservation Installation have finally been able to get rid of the water from their warehouse after a semi-truck ran into a fire hydrant Thursday morning. At around 7 a.m. Thursday, one of Energy Conservation Installation's warehouses became flooded. Employees quickly worked with snow shovels to push the river of water out. The warehouses are filled with insulation, and all of their product on the ground is now ruined.
I was in the office and I was getting coffee, walked by my window sitting back at my desk, and I noticed our back parking lot here was flooding. And I was like, where's this water coming from? And then I went outside and we discovered that the hydrant was bubbling up and flooding our property.
The semi received minor damages to its bumper. City crews were able to remove the hydrant quickly. The company says they're still figuring out how much damage has been done to their product, but they did say the semi-truck did agree to pay for any damages. Isabella Warren, News Channel 21.